In today's video, I will be doing some DIY candle holder hacks, and I'm going to be styling my Bath and Body Works candles on them. I wanted to show you the size because you can style any size candle that is close to this size on these DIY candle holder hacks that I'm creating today using these ceramic trays out of the Crafter Square section. Now the Dollar Tree does have candles that size, and that's why I wanted to show them to you, and they're $5 and they actually are really pretty and they smell really good. So for the first one, I am just going to be using one of these ceramic trays, and I love these. They're the perfect size, and you can paint them, spray paint them. You can just do so many things with these trays. I also picked up two of these ceramic elephants out of that same section. They have other little cute animals, but I wanted to go with these elephants. So as you can see, I'm trying to assemble the elephants with the tray together to see how I'm going to be connecting everything. And once I figured out how I'm going to have the little elephants positioned, I go in with some E6000 glue for a permanent hold, and I will be pairing it with some hot glue for instant hold. I want to take a moment to say thank you all so much for clicking on my video, and welcome to my channel, Lovely Moments Creating. My name is Jenny, and I create budget-friendly home decor and DIY hacks that are easy to do and budget-friendly. Now what I'm doing is, as you can see, I added the glue. I'm just making sure I go in with extra glue in places where the elephants connect with the tray, because I want everything to stay intact. So I'm just looking for little areas where the tray connects with the elephant, and just adding some extra glue for extra security. These are really simple to make, but I absolutely love how they turned out. Now after I get everything connected, I am going to go in with some of this Waverly chalk paint, and this is in the color Blush. Now Bath and Body Works sells some really cute candle holders, but they are so pricey, and so there was no way I was going to purchase any of those. But I was like, let me see what I can put together using some Dollar Tree items. And as I mentioned, it do not have to be the Bath and Body Works candles. These trays are the perfect size for mini size candles, and you can also use these for risers or other purposes as well. So after I get everything painted, now I wanted to distress this a little bit, so I grabbed some of my metallic gold Rust-Oleum spray paint. I always just spray a little bit in the cap, and then I take a little brush and I'm just going around the tray at the top, and then I'm going to distress on the elephants as well. The theme that I was going with today was this pink and gold. I'm going to be styling these candle holders near my tea station and maybe in my bedroom, and so I wanted to go with this color combination. So that's kind of the theme that I'm going to be doing for these candle holders in today's video, but you can pick any color. I think a pretty green would look great for the season coming up as well. But after I do that is it. I absolutely love the simplicity of this. You can choose any other animals that they have, any other ceramic animals, but I thought these elephants were so cute. This was so easy to put together, and I absolutely love how it turned out. Now for the second DIY hack, I have another one of these trays, and what I'm going to do is take one of these little square cubes that you buy from the Dollar Tree out of the pack, and I'm just going to use some hot glue for this and connect it to the side of the tray. I'm just adding it right next to the rim, as you can see. Just adding a placement right there, because I'm going to need to add something there later on. Now I'm going to go in with the blush color chalk paint and give this one good full coat. And I'm going to make sure that I paint the little cube that I attached to this as well. As I mentioned, I'm keeping that theme of this pretty blush color. It's spring, and I can switch out some other candle holders that I already have. And I was able to make some things very budget friendly, so I didn't have to spend tons of money. Now I picked this candle holder up from the Dollar Tree in gold, and this cute little metal blush pink floral piece and it has the hook on there because it's a hanging piece, but I removed it. And as you can see, it is distressed in a little bit gold, and that's why I went with the gold candle holder. Another budget-friendly DIY hack. I'm using the combination of the E6000 glue. You can use any stronger glue in combination with some hot glue, just so you can get a permanent hold on these projects. And so I'm just placing it right in the center, eyeballing it. And once that dry, all I have to do is add my metal floral piece, and that's what I'm going to add to the little cube on the side. I am going to be using some E6000 glue with that after I distress this a little bit with some more of that gold paint. So I am going around the tray just like I did the previous one with some of this gold, because it's going to bring out the gold in that metal floral piece, and it's going to play off of the gold candle holder that I am using for the base. Now I'm going to make sure that I use some E6000 to attach that metal piece, because I want it to be like a leaner, and so I want to make sure that I add some really secure glue to this to keep that metal piece on there, because I want it to be kind of like just leaning up against it. Now this was simple to make. This can be any color, but I really do love how this turned out. This is so pretty. So I have another one of those trays, and also they have this little ceramic vase. This is so cute. It sort of looks like a tulip on the side. I don't know if the camera is doing it any justice, but they do have some really cool shapes of these ceramic vases in that same section, so anyone would do. But I just love the simplicity of this and how it had the little tulip shape. So as you can see, I added E6000 and hot glue, and I'm placing that right at the bottom of the tray in the center, and that's going to be my base. This one is really simple, but I really love how this one turned out as well. So after the glue dries, I'm going to go in with that blush color paint and paint this entire piece. As I mentioned, the Dollar Tree put out some really cute ceramic options in the Crafter Square section. So if you wanted something a little bit more dramatic, they had a little bubble ceramic vase. They had pretty different styles, and so there's other options, but I just thought having this tulip shaped vase at the bottom, I don't know if you can really see it, it was just so simple, but I really love how it turned out. And so I'm just going to do the same thing I've been doing with that gold metallic spray paint by Rust-Oleum, and just spraying a little in the cap, and then I'm going to take that and distress around the rim of the tray, and I'm actually going to go down that little line right in the center of the base where it gives the little tulip shape. I'm just going to add a little bit of that so I can bring out the definition of the vase a little bit more. Really simple, but really pretty, and I absolutely love how this one turned out as well. Now from the Dollar Tree, I have one of those small fishbowl vases, and I have another one of those little metal floral pieces. As you can see, I'm just taking off the little hanger piece, and I'm going to bend it a little bit because I'm going to be adding this inside of the vase. Another simple, really pretty DIY hack to style those candles. And so I'm going to take this along with another one of these trays, and I'm going to spray paint both of those pieces using that metallic gold. And then once that's complete, I didn't do a full coverage because I wanted some of that light blue to still show, but as you can see, I'm just pushing it down inside of the little fishbowl. And then all I have to do is take my tray that I spray painted with this gold as well, and I'm going to attach that to the top, and I'm going to be using some of that E6000 glue along with some hot glue. But as I mentioned, you can use any other strong glue that you prefer to use. The Dollar Tree does have some fix-all glue that I typically use, and it works just as good for me. And so After I add my glues, all I have to do is place that right on top, and I'm telling you, this turned out really cute, and you can make this any color you choose, but I wanted this to be gold, and I think it turned out really pretty. Thank you all so much for tuning in and watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video just as much as I did. If so, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you here. As always, in the comment section below, let me know which one of these DIY hacks were your favorite. And then until next time, my sweet friends, stay safe so that I can see you in the next video.